ready to streamline your contract process and get those signatures locked in twice as fast. First, head over to Docusign and log into your account. From the home page, click Start to upload your document. You can drag and drop files directly or upload from your computer, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Now, it's time to add your recipients. In the Add Recipients section, enter the names and email addresses of both signers. Make sure to specify the signing order if you want a sequential workflow, meaning one person signs before the other. Otherwise, both signers will receive the document at the same time for parallel signing. Click on Add Myself to be a recipient if you want to sign the document as well. Next, you can add a custom message for your signers, like specific instructions or a friendly greeting. This personal touch can help speed up the signing process. Alright, now for the crucial part, tagging. Click the Next button to enter the Docusign editor. Here, you'll drag and drop signature, initial, date, and other necessary fields onto your document, assigning them to the correct signer using the recipient drop-down menu. Once you've placed all the fields, double-check everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. Finally, hit the Send button, and Docusign will email the document to your signers for their immediate attention. And that's it. You've successfully sent a Docusign document for signature to two signers. Whether sequential or parallel, you're on your way to faster, more efficient agreements.